Hola, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, so happy you're here. Today's story is called El Tesoro de los Recuerdos, or the Treasure of Memories, and it's perfect for Spanish A1 learners. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we dive in, let's warm up with a few keywords. First, brilla, which means shines. Next, muro, meaning wall. Then we have secreto, which means secret. We also have oxidada, meaning rusty, and sonríen, which means they smile. In our story, two siblings discover an old box hidden behind a stone wall near a pond. Let's find out what's inside. Aquí vamos. Here we go.
Sofía y Mateo van al estanque. La nueva estrella en el mapa brilla sobre un viejo muro de piedra. El muro está al lado del estanque. Los hermanos buscan en el muro. Mateo toca una piedra suelta. Detrás de la piedra hay una pequeña caja de madera. Sofía tiene la llave oxidada. Con mucho cuidado, usa la llave para abrir la caja. Dentro no hay oro ni joyas, hay fotos antiguas. Son fotos de sus abuelos en el jardín. Los abuelos sonríen y están muy felices. Sofía y Mateo se miran, comprenden el secreto. El verdadero tesoro del jardín son los recuerdos de su familia.
And there we have it. Sophia and Mateo discover that the true treasure isn't gold, but old photos of their grandparents. A beautiful family memory hidden behind that rusty lock. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. Hasta pronto!